Hi there, it's Renee from Zone 9B, Panhandle, Florida. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Geisha Gone Wild Japanese maple that's going to go into the hole that my ukigumo came out of because it needs more sunlight to really pinken up. But let me tell you, it can't take very much sunlight because then it starts to crisp up. So I've got it in kind of a hidden spot right now. And I am just looking forward to this springtime tree making some beautiful color in my yard. The best part about this job is that I won't have to dig a hole to put the tree into it. So exciting. So I get to do just the fun part today. And then I think the other thing that I'm going to do today will be to rake out some old lily leaves because they can really inhibit the growth on lilies. So I am going to get that old grass out so that the new can come and take its place. So this is my back fence here, and I think you can see that this little maple here, it needs more. I'm just saying, I think it's maybe grown like 3 inches in 4 years. So I know it's kind of more of a low grower, but man, we got to do a little better than that. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to go ahead and dig her up and then put this little Geisha Gone Wild into the bigger hole with a little more sunlight and some good reliable water. I seriously doubt most of these roots are Geisha Gone Wild, but they came out all together, so why not? I mean, it does have more branching over here, so maybe some of this is. But we're going to go ahead and get her in her new home now. Yeah. All right, so in this hole, there is a root about this big. And with other things, you know, I would be really concerned about getting it out. But I know my Japanese maple, it's just going to grow right around and over that. I'm not too worried about that because it's a good, I don't know, 2 inches under here. And I think it's going to be just fine. It might be a root from this yew here. Might be from an old wisteria. Or it could be from something entirely different nearby. Like over here is a drake elm. So I'm thinking it's probably the drake elm here. I am going to put a little bit of my soil in there. Then we'll just water that in. And then we'll start to position her. Make sure she gets a really beautiful spot. Y'all, I don't know about you, but it looks like Shishi approves of the new planting. And can I have a yes, Shishi? Yes, yes. Okay, walking away. Got other things to look at. Gotcha. Hey, it looks like this tree was made for this space. It looks absolutely glorious here. I get to see this amazing green bark. Oh, it's like chartreuse almost. Oh, I just love this lime green. Oh, and it's got such great form. Look at this. This is what 5 years of no sun will get you in a Japanese maple. Great form, but not very tall. Anyway, I got one more thing I have to do, and I'm going to show you how I get rid of lily leaves because you got to remove them. So sometimes it'll mat it and mulch it down so hard no sunlight goes to the new ones. So I might be using those fronds as mulch in another part of my yard too. It's a win-win. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is the part that I'm talking about. There is a lot of dead stuff here, and last year it almost killed all of them. So I've got to get this taken care of now. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to use this rake, and I am going to rake all these grasses out. Yeah. All right, so that got most of it, but not all of it. So I'm going to go get my sickle and finish the job. All right, sickle one. Rake one. I think they're about even in their piles. All right, so overall, I think that looks a lot better. Oh yeah, I sure do. That is definitely enough room for those plants to come up now, which is what we're looking for. Oh boy, what a relief to get little chores like that checked off your to-do spring list, isn't it? Okay, everybody, so listen up. I hope you're able to go out there and make something beautiful in your world today. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.